I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guy. Join me on board Grand Princess for a tour of a wheelchair-accessible BB category balcony cabin. Princess's medallion technology allows the stateroom door to unlock automatically on approach. The silver button assists with opening and closing the door. This particular wheelchair-accessible cabin was added to Grand Princess only recently. The room is light, bright and airy, and uses a more modern grey colour palette when compared to the original staterooms on board. There are wide bedside tables that offer a lamp with USB-A device charging, as well as drawers and an open shelf. This particular room accommodates 2 passengers, and the bed can be split. The bathroom is accessed via a sliding door. Like the rest of the room, it's a contemporary space with marble-look tiles and, importantly, an expansive floor plan. The vanity has space underneath for users of wheelchairs to better access the sink. The roll-in shower is wide and has grab bars and a fold-down bench seat. Plus, there's a lower-level clothesline. Lotion, hand wash, shampoo and body wash are all provided for use. The main wardrobe contains 2 higher set shelves and a single hanging rack. Next to that, you'll find additional shelving space as well as a digital safe. The television system is one of the best in the cruise industry and offers complimentary on-demand movies, TV shows and music. The bar fridge is located underneath the flat-screen wall-mounted television. Additional soft-close drawers are located beneath the fridge. The vanity area provides an Australian power outlet and 2 additional USB-A charging slots. There's a mirror at the writing desk, plus 3 US-style power outlets. Access to the balcony is via a sliding glass door with a timber ramp built across the threshold. There are 2 chairs, each with an ottoman and a small side table. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the room. If you are interested in booking a cruise, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au, and if you haven't done so already, you can give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at The Cruise and Travel Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.